Good evening, my people. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think. It's 12:45, the last day of February going into the first day of March. Okay, I feel cookie today. So I get some real beef, the real thing, wash them clean. Yeah, I feel cookie today. Cookie today. Yeah. Two junk of beef washed nicely. Okay. Take this out of the way. Okay. Tablespoon. Yeah. I feel cookie today. See what this one is? Pinch of salt to taste. See? Blender. Thyme leaf. Garlic. Hot pepper. Green onion. 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 Then I blend. Blending is finished. Okay. I pour my blend stuff on it. Okay. Nicely. For color, optional for color. 1 tablespoon for color. Okay. All right. This Maggi, a little bit more. Okay. Leave this one side now. Time to start chop my vegetables, potatoes, zucchini, carrot. Time to do my vegetables. So this is the vegetables that gonna be on it, and that's what that look like. So now I'm gonna chop my vegetables. You use whatever vegetables you like. Vegetables of your choice. So I chop the vegetables, put in my bowl. I have sweet potato. Some people call it yam. I have carrot. I have bell pepper. I have small potato. And I have a lot of stuff. Okay. I'm gonna chop them nicely and get them under. There it is now. There's my vegetables. So I don't put the vegetable with the meat, and these little plummy tomato, I don't cut them. I just scatter them all over. Yeah. Okay. Then some thyme leaf. Scatter on top of it. Make it nice. You can get some diced garlic and herbs and spice of your choice. You can sprinkle some olive oil over it if you use olive oil, or some sesame oil, or if you want to use butter, you can use butter or even regular oil. It's up to you what you like to use. Then I just cut some strips of butter, put over it. After buttering it, I salt it. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, and then I put this in the oven to roast. Yeah. After putting the butter and everything on this, I put it in the oven on 450 high. I let it roast, and then I stir it up and roast it till it get color. When it get color, I pre-cook my beef. This is my beef right here. Yeah. Pre-cook the beef. You can put the beef in the oven, or you can use your slow cooker, whichever one you want. I pre-cook my beef, and when the beef is 90% done, I pour this over it, and it's ready to go. I'll show you the outcome of it. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think. Tag me if you want to know anything about it. Like, share, and follow. Tag me. Can Jam, Herbs and Food. Okay?